Welcome to Best Choice. The Best 3-inch tape is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your home or workshop, offering a reliable solution for everything from sealing boxes for moving to quick repairs around the house, and even for creative crafting projects. Its strong adhesive properties and durable material make it a go-to choice for a wide range of applications, ensuring that your items stay secure and protected. Whether you're a professional needing to package goods or a DIY enthusiast looking for a dependable adhesive, understanding the nuances of this common yet crucial item can significantly impact the efficiency and success of your tasks. Number 5. PERFECTAPE 3 Heavy-Duty Packing Tape 6 Rolls. Introducing PERFECTAPE's heavy-duty packing tape. Designed to be super strong and anti-splitting, it can easily hold up to 45 pounds. This tape offers a convenient length for all your packaging needs. We've increased the glue percentage through extensive research. This ensures superior adhesion compared to other tapes of the same thickness. Experience exceptional clarity with our high-transparency film and glue. It provides a seamless and professional finish to your packages. Our tape is formulated with a water-based acrylic, ensuring it is non-formaldehyde. You can trust its safety and reliability for your shipping needs. This tape fits perfectly into standard 3-inch tape dispensers for easy application. A small tip: bend the end for quick opening and easy access. Looking for even more? We also offer a 12-pack option for your bulk shipping requirements. What we like? If you're looking for tape that can handle heavy loads and won't split, this is it. Its superior adhesion ensures packages stay sealed, even with bulky items. For those who need reliable, strong sealing for shipping and moving, this tape is your best bet. What people say. The tape comes off the roll easily enough on a tape gun and sticks to boxes well. It's not too thick or too thin and beats just about anything you'd buy in store. The 3-inch width and strong adhesive make sealing quick and secure, even for heavier shipments. Durable, reliable, and true to its name. It's a very thick tape which makes working with it quite convenient. I've had virtually no issues with the tape going on the box smoothly. With this tape it just seems to lie down on the box perfectly every time. Number 4. TapePlus Aluminum Foil Tape. Introducing TapePlus Aluminum Foil Tape, your professional-grade solution for HVAC and home improvement. It's incredibly durable and versatile for sealing, patching, and insulating. This tape is engineered to withstand moisture and UV exposure, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. You can rely on its exceptional performance in any environment. Experience excellent adherence to various surfaces, including metal finishes. It seamlessly integrates into your projects, providing optimal thermal performance. With a generous 210 feet of length, this heavy-duty option is designed for extensive use. Its silver finish looks great and provides reliable performance, even under high temperatures. This professional-grade sealing tape efficiently seals hot and cold air ducts, boosting your system's efficiency. Its waterproof and insulating properties offer comprehensive protection. What we like? If you need a tape that can withstand extreme temperatures and moisture, this is the one. It's perfect for sealing HVAC ducts, pipes, and outdoor applications where durability is key. For DIYers and professionals tackling weatherproofing or insulation projects, this tape offers robust protection. What people say. The tape is very sticky and adheres well, and the thickness of the aluminum is good, seems durable and takes a shape well. The extra width makes it much easier to seal over larger areas. 3 inches wide is the answer, did the job the first time. Number 3. Tape King Packing Tape Dispenser Gun. This packaging tape and dispenser set is a reliable tool for various tasks. It's perfect for sealing cartons, organizing supplies, and handling home, office, and warehouse packaging needs. Designed with a wide grip, it works smoothly with its 3-inch tape. You'll have steady control for easy use during storage, mailing, or shipping. This dispenser features an adjustable brake for controlled tension. It's built to keep your tape aligned for consistent application on boxes and cartons. Equipped with a simple flap system, it ensures clean tape release. Enjoy smooth operation without tangles or tears. This package includes a roll of 3-inch tape and a heavy-duty dispenser. It offers reliable support, making sealing and packaging more efficient. What we like? If you're tired of struggling with tape dispensers, this tool offers a comfortable and controlled experience. Its adjustable tension ensures smooth application every time, making packing and shipping tasks much easier. For anyone who frequently seals boxes for storage, moving, or shipping, this dispenser gun will be a game changer. What people say. These dispensers are a breeze to use. Loading the tape is a snap, and they effortlessly dispense the perfect amount of tape for sealing boxes and packages. The sturdy build quality ensures they can withstand heavy use. This one is a full 3 inches and sturdy. Have only started using it, but it seems great. Number 2. Pacific Mailer Clear Packing Tape, 6 rolls. Introducing our premium packing tape, designed for all your shipping needs. It's strong, reliable, and ensures your packages stay sealed. Whether you're shipping products or moving homes, this tape is your perfect companion. It provides a secure seal for boxes of all sizes. Each roll is 3 inches wide and 2.0 mm thick, offering excellent durability. You get ample tape for all your sealing tasks. With 110 yards per roll, you won't need to replace it often. This pack ensures you have plenty of tape on hand. This convenient pack includes 6 rolls, offering great value. Stock up and be prepared for any packing or shipping job. What we like. If you need a large quantity of reliable packing tape for frequent use, this multi-roll pack is ideal. It offers a good balance of strength and clarity for everyday shipping and moving needs. For households or small businesses that go through a lot of tape, this offers excellent value and convenience. What people say. Halfway through my first roll with no complaint. I have had no adhesion issues on new production boxes, cannot speak for boxes with high recycle content as they tend to have a hard time with acrylic tape adhesion. It is surprisingly thinner than any other packing tape I have used. This may make it less durable, but for my needs, it is easy to fold, manipulate around corners, and will last me a lifetime since the thin material means each roll is almost twice as long as other brands. Each roll is extra long at 110 yards, which really cuts down on how often you have to swap rolls, and it fits perfectly in standard 2-inch dispensers. The adhesive is strong enough for sealing boxes, mailing packages, and general storage, and it holds well in normal indoor conditions without curling or peeling. Number 1. Gaffer Power Real Professional Premium Grade Gaffer Tape. Introducing Gaffer Power, the premium grade gaffer tape trusted by industry professionals. It's proudly made in the USA and is the go-to solution for studios, sets, and serious jobs. You'll find it's better than duct tape. Engineered for clean removal, this heavy-duty tape sticks firmly without leaving behind sticky messes or damaging surfaces. It's ideal for electronics, stage gear, and flooring, ensuring your equipment stays protected. Perfect for film, theater, and photography, it features a matte finish to avoid light reflection. You can easily hand tear it without scissors for fast, no-fuss application, even in fast-paced environments. This water-resistant tape is tough enough for any environment, holding strong on cables, wood, metal, and more. Whether you're on a film set or fixing something at home, it won't let you down. From organizing wires and securing rugs to sealing boxes and making quick fixes, this utility tape has hundreds of uses. It's a must-have tool for homeowners, hobbyists, event planners, and technicians alike. What we like. If you need a tape that performs exceptionally without damaging surfaces or leaving residue, this is your solution. Its matte finish is perfect for professional settings where light reflection is an issue. For photographers, filmmakers, event planners, or anyone who needs a strong, clean removable tape for delicate applications, this is the professional choice. What people say. The tape is strong and durable, perfect for sealing boxes. It adheres well to various surfaces and holds securely. The 3-inch width provides excellent coverage for larger items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.